Today what we'd like to talk about is copying a line segment at an angle using a protractor and a ruler. So I'm hoping that you guys will have a protractor of some kind and also a ruler. Now, here are mine, and then I'm hoping that you guys have something similar like this. Now, first, what we'd like to do is this: how can we copy a line segment? This would be the basic construction. Now, then, for example, if I have a line segment, let me try to draw a line segment first. Okay, so let us say I have one line segment here, and I like to let me make it a bit smaller. It's a bit too big, so for my purposes. So if in order for me to copy this line segment, what will I do? In fact, what I'm going to do is this. First, I'm gonna draw a line. Now, second, what I'm going to do is this. With the compass, what a compass can do is that it could in fact copy the distances. See, that's the good thing about these compasses. So I'm going to open this one up and measure it goes all the way up to here. Now, and since that much is the length of the given line segment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that over here. And I will use different color to mark it. Let us say blue. And if I mark it over here, then what I just have done is I copied length of this line segment onto this longer segment. So in fact, these portions are the portion that we don't need. Only portion that we need is this portion. Now, just to show you that I have copied the line segment, what I can do is I can move this one. I mean, I obviously cannot do this one on your paper, but I can show you that this will be exact match right over here. You see that? All right, so that's how we can copy the line segment. Next, we're going to try to copy an angle. Next page. So what if I have an angle? Angle is the formed by two ray, as you know. Ray is in one way like half of a line. It starts from a particular point and it continues to the other side. Now, okay. Now, how am I going to copy this angle? You see, what angle does is that it shows us how much, in fact simply measures the spread between two line segments here. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to, just like before, get a compass and a ruler. Put it over here. So in order for us to copy this angle, what I'm going to do is first, I have to draw a line segment. So once again, I'm going to do it with red. In fact, the length of the line segment doesn't matter that much. Now, but as we mentioned before, what the angle does is that it measures the spread. But in order for us to measure the spread, what we're going to do is this. With the compass, we're going to try to make an arc of a reference. Meaning, I'm going to just use another color, just like before. So if I have done this, the spread, of course, closer to the vertex will be smaller, and further away it's going to be bigger. But by drawing this line, what I have done is I'm going to measure the spread about this distance from the vertex. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to move this right over here and do exactly the same thing. Now, what I have done is by copying this arc, I have designated the starting point of the spread that I'm going to measure from, which is right over here. So secondly, Let me try to use another color for you. I can bring this one closer a little bit. And you see that that is about the spread. If I have to bring this one just a little bit more. That is the spread of this angle from this particular point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one over here. Place it, and then by drawing an arc, just like how I measured it over here, just to show you, right, a little bit off here, but now, then what I can do is, since this point matches with this point, I can bring a straight edge and draw the line. Now what I have done is I just copied the angle, original angle, onto the side. Just once again, just to show you that I have copied this one correctly or not, what I'm going to do is I can move this and show you that it is about the match. I mean, there's a little bit of mistake, but it's about, pretty good match. All right, so there it goes. That's how we can copy an angle, and previously, this is how we were able to copy a line segment. All right, have a great day. I'll see you guys later.